Worldtalk app. So how to use this app. So here is the app. You can just see in here, there's global coverage, character, voice translation, freely chat, translation for video chat. So you can meet friends from all over the world, support text, voice, video chat, and just share this account with a lot of users. And then here is you have your overview. You see users, you can see messages and notifications. You can see who is online here. You can see your overview. You can buy the balance in here, and then you can just see the feed. You can see the moments, this feed. Then you can just do search. For example, you can just swipe like that just to try to search. And then you can see your profile in here. So there is a balance which you can see. Then there is your membership, and then there is a translation package, and then there is income. You can get some of those. I don't know whether you can get them for free or there is expenditure. So all of these settings, and that's just how you participate. And then you can also get this package to get some better translations in the app. So that's what you have in here, and that's what it is.